Please remember to click the link in the description for a free 30-day trial. Welcome to a comprehensive guide on QR, or quick response codes, the revolutionary tool reshaping how we interact with information in our digital world. A QR code is a two-dimensional barcode, recognizable by its distinct square shape filled with black and white patterns. It's designed to store a wealth of information, far surpassing the capacity of traditional barcodes. Originating in Japan for automotive tracking, QR codes have now become indispensable across countless industries, including retail and consumer goods, marketing and advertising, and healthcare, to name a few. Their widespread application ranges from enhancing customer engagement in restaurants and hospitality to streamlining processes in transportation, logistics, and even in government services. What sets QR codes apart is their ability to hold complex data, from URLs and text to geolocation information, with most kinds of QR codes able to handle at least 3,000 alphanumeric characters. This is a significant leap from the 20 to 25 characters in a standard one-dimensional barcode. But it's not just about data capacity. QR codes are incredibly user-friendly, allowing a seamless bridge between the physical and digital realms. A simple scan can take you to a website, pinpoint a location on a map, or initiate a download, making them a valuable asset in modern business practices. Their efficiency is further enhanced by their built-in error correction capability, enabling QR codes to remain functional even when partially damaged or distorted. This resilience makes them more reliable and adaptable to various environments. Moreover, QR codes excel in space efficiency. Their higher data density means they can store more information in a smaller area, an essential feature in space-sensitive industries like electronics and pharmaceuticals. QR codes stand out for their enhanced data capacity, robust error correction, user convenience, and versatile applications. They are not just an alternative to traditional barcodes, but a superior choice in many digital and physical applications. Therefore, it is essential that we have QR code integration with all of our FabSoft products. If you would like to see how our product can enhance your documents, please click the links below to try it for free or schedule a demo.